this exhibition is fantastic, and I think one of the very few exhibitions that happen where there is a relevant connect between two parties. It's not that, crowded exhibitions where you have 100 inquiries, 100 discussions, your energy level is also down after 10 discussions, but it's a few but very, very meaningful connections. I think this is a fantastic platform for manufacturers to connect to the retailers and even to the big manufacturers where they can supply to them. Well, I think I don't remember any other exhibition where each stall I have gone and I've spent time and I felt that each stall was relevant. Everybody was interested to do private label. Everybody was ready with their prices, costing, MOQ, and that is actually very, very helpful. I think this is the best platform for category managers, category heads to come and to visit and probably do the work of the entire year in just 2 days. I think I would like to visit every year. I think it could be 6 months phenomena where you could hold these exhibitions every 6 months, and I'm sure more and more exhibitors would like to join this platform.